Hi everybody, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'll be baking sandwich bread. If this is your first time in my channel, kindly consider subscribing. So let's get started. I'll start by adding 3 cups of all-purpose flour, two and a half teaspoons of active yeast, 1/4 cup of sugar. Then I'll make a well. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, half cup of warm milk, half cup of warm water. Then I'll mix them together. I'll add 2 tablespoons of butter. Then gently mix it in. Now I'll tip it on my workstation and knead the dough for about 7 to 8 minutes until the dough becomes smooth and elastic. This is fine. Now place it in a greased bowl. Cover it with a tea towel and let it double in size for about 30 to 45 minutes. Oh, this is fine. As you can see, the dough has doubled in size. I'll flour my workstation. Punch down the dough. Then gently knead it to knock out the gas in it. And also shape it. Then I'll grease my bread pan. Place the dough in it. And cover with a tea towel for it to double in size again. Oh, this is nice. Time to bake. I'll bake it at 175 Celsius for about 35 to 40 minutes until it turns golden brown. And here is our homemade sandwich bread. And we're done. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to leave me a comment and also kindly subscribe to my channel. Bye, and do have a wonderful week.